Hi Joy Mac Wallpapers, I need to change up my kitchen. Could you kindly send me the catalog of different wallpapers you have and let's make this happen. Say no more.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hey good people, welcome to yet another vlog, and this time round I am taking you through a kitchen transformation. So this is a repeat client. We did a ceiling for her bedroom and she was really impressed by what Joy Mac did, so she called us in to transform this space, which is actually the kitchen area, to ensure that it looks beautiful and that the walls change. And as you can see from the video here, the walls are not painted and neither is the ceiling, so we are doing installation for both the ceiling and the wall. And she wanted to do a little bit of floral and clouds on the ceiling, and this is going to be one of the amazing transformation that we had. What you can see right now is the ceiling, which is actually not painted, and most of you guys ask us whether it's okay to install wallpapers when the walls are not painted, and the answer to that is yes. Actually, when the walls are not painted, the wallpapers stick more firmly and actually last longer. So if in case you are planning to do a wallpaper, please don't paint your house. Don't paint the spaces that you want to install the wallpapers. It's just double waste of time and money. Anyway, coming through, this is Githurai Kimbo site, and we are excited to share with you guys just how transformed this place is going to look. So we started off with the ceiling, which was really a lot of work, especially because, you know, when it comes to ceiling, you have to be two of you, but unfortunately most of the guys are busy right now, so we had to work with Steve, just the two of us, to ensure that everything transformed. Take a look at how this went on.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping.
Look at that, guys. Look at that ceiling. Look at that transformation. So the client wanted to have like some little bit of clowns on the ceiling and then the floral. So far the room is 3/4 done. We are yet to finish. As you can see, the walls on that side are yet to be installed, but so far so good. It was transforming so well. The client wasn't in this whole time, so you can imagine the kind of wow she got when she actually came back to find the room this transformed. Anyway, enjoy the final look.